Hi.
Welcome to our vlog.
Uy, vlogger! Intro mo!
Oo nga.
Hi guys.
Papunta na kami sa beach. Sa Boracay.
Suot ka na ba? Okay.
Ano, may suot na ako?
Wrist.
Oh.
Wristband. Ka naman din pa.
What's in my bag?
Registered. Ano ba yung program ng 4 p.m? Race briefing?
Sabi mo kanina,
Turo na! Point!
Ikaw.
Saan ako?
Ikaw.
Ayun ako na.
Saan ako?
Saan ako? Yung ko rin sa ilalim na na to.
Gago.
Saan?
Go Perry!
Ay, ito ba kayo go? Grabe mo na palang no? Beach? I mean, walang beach. It's just a pool. Look, it's just a pool.
Nagkita na kayo? Ikaw muna camera duty.
Ano, bibidyohan kita? Go! Kaya mo yan? Pro ka na, pro! Swimming ba? Hello!
Meron ako lifeguard. Meron ako lifeguard na.
Wala akong boy.
Delikado pa.
Na wala buhay mo? Hindi, wala ka lang buhay.
Ayaw ko na.
Oo, diyan ka na, ligiti ka na lang. Ngiti.
Pero medyo hindi naman siya as scary as I expected it to.
Really?
Mas scary yung naisip ko na malakas yung waves.
Ito medyo
Sa
nagulat
matay.
ako. At teka na mabukas ka.
Ay.
Oh wait.
Ayan, go!
I survived.
What's your expectations tomorrow?
I hope I see a sea turtle.
Oh.
Sea turtle. Plus, sa Sagada, seaweed ngayon.
Sea turtle.
Ikaw, what's your... Third place daw, sabi niya. Second place,
Hope
first
to
place.
finish. Hope to finish.
Uy.
After this, oo.
Lakas ng alon.
Ayun nga eh.
Oh, baliktad mo. Ikaw naman.
Expectations.
Number 1.
Matalo si lads.
Titilayan ko na yan.
Team Go versus Team Candano.
Kumuha ko egg.
Mukhang egg. Bakit yellow ka na na egg?
Parang natataig ka pa ito. Pwede ka sa akin.
Parang siya natatay. Yung mukha
Hindi
nito.
kasi ito kasi abot na yung ground eh.
Tama na! Malulunod na ako. Oh!
Ano ka? 149.
Uy, balik tayo tayo. 194 ako. Nice, maliit lang kanan.
Morning.
Hindi ako kabalo.
Kaya sa kanya.
Para sa kanya muna. 1-0. May ganito po pala. Kasi ako yung kahit one side mo. 194. Next, kabila. Kumark ko kayo. What number ba? 048. Okay.
Ano na?
Meron daw medical.
Saan yung medical? Ah, okay. Doon yung... Good luck po.
Thank you.
Dito na lang table natin.
Naki-table lang
Pero dito sa amin.
Table
Dito sa
kami.
amin.
Ito hindi to sa
Sa
amin.
may gitna kami.
Ito lang. Oo, dito.
Okay.
Pwede naman. Okay lang yan.
Dito wala pa ng signal dito.
Hello, we are now at Bigang Munti. This is the preparation. We are here in Bigang Munti and time check, it's 5:53. So they are now preparing to race and they got their medical stuff here. Puli yun nagpapabedic to check BP. Then si Perry nagpapapicture. Sama sila lahat sa ground.
Oh. Ano yung gamit mo? Yung lens na nandun.
Hello, we are now waiting for the starting time. How are you guys feeling?
Ready!
How are you, Veron? Kaya mo yan! Exciting. Nagpo-prepare pa yung iba. So, baka maliit yung event. So, update na lang in a bit.
Alright, Make me feel right, jump right back into my heart. Cause we could dance the night away, make me love you through the haze. Ain't no need to be afraid, Still hear your voice at night, make me feel right, jump right back into my heart. Cause we could dance the night away, make me love you through the haze. Ain't no need to be afraid. I want you bad, want you bad. You're coming back, cause I still hear your voice at night. Make me feel right, jump right back into my life. Give me something else to do than thinking about. Are you thinking about it too? Don't need reason, the reasoning is you. I knew that we were bound to fall apart, but always kept you deep inside my heart. Maybe someday you'll forget the past. Still hear your voice at night, make me feel right, jump right back into my heart. Cause we could dance the night away, make me love you through the haze. Ain't no need to be afraid. I want you bad, I do. You're coming back, cause I still hear your voice at night. Make me feel right, jump right back into my life. I think about you, I really do. I keep on running back, I'm running right to you. I think about you, I really do. I keep on running back, I'm running back to you. Still hear your voice at night.
Kamusta ang open water swim?